Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to differentiate a question or a given question. How? Let's begin our video. So our given question is x into 1 plus y under root 1 plus x equal to 0. In order to differentiate this equation, first we will simplify this equation. You can see that this equation is in implicit form. We will convert first this equation into a explicit form. How? So let's see. So in order to make simple this condition, we will move this value y under root 1 plus x to the other side of equation and it will convert into minus. And we will get minus y under root 1 plus x square. Now we will apply squaring on the both side of the equation. And we will get x square into 1 plus y equal to y square 1 plus x. Now we will multiply in the next step this x square with both these values and this y square with both these values. And we will get, when we will multiply this x square with 1 plus y, we will get x square plus x square into y. And when we will multiply this y square with both these values, we will get y square plus y square into x. Now in the next step, we will move this y square to the other side of equation and it will convert into minus sign. And this x square will go to the other side of the equation and it will convert into x square into y, because here we can apply a square minus b square formula and here we can take common the value of xy. So if x is a and y is b, we can open this condition as a square minus b square formula, which will be equal to x plus y into x minus y. And we, on the other side of the equation, we will take common xy and we will get y minus x inside the bracket. Now in the next step, we will take common minus in order to convert this y minus x in x minus y, because this x minus y is also exists to the other side equation. That's why we are make the thing simple. We are taking common minus here to convert this y minus x in x minus y. Now in the next step, this x minus y and this x minus y will cancel out and we will get x plus y equal to minus xy. This question is somehow simple, or this condition is somehow simple, but still in implicit form. Now in order to explicit form, we will move the values, or we will move this xy to the other side of the equation. This xy is in negative form, it will go to the other side of equation and it will convert plus xy. And this x will go to the other side of the equation and it will convert into minus x. Now take common y from this condition or this expression and we will get y into 1 plus x is equals to minus x. Now this 1 over x will go in division with this minus x. Now this question is our given question or a simplified form to differentiate. Now we will differentiate this condition or this equation. How? We will apply derivative on the both sides of the equation. So it will convert into dy by dx after applying derivative, and here we will apply quotient rule. And quotient rule is this thing is same and we will apply derivative with this minus x. Now minus sign as per formula as quotient rule. Now we will leave this minus x and we will apply derivative on 1 plus x, and in denominator x plus 1 plus x will go or will convert into a square form as formula of quotient rule. Now we will simplify this condition. So 1 plus x is same as before, but when we apply derivative this minus x it will convert into minus 1. This minus x is same as before, and when we will apply derivative with on this 1 plus x, we will get 1, because 1, the derivative of 1 is 0, and any constant is equal to 0, and this x, the derivative of this variable, is equal to 1, and 1 plus x square is same as before. Now we will simplify this condition. How? Minus into plus equal to minus, and 1 into 1 equal to 1, plus minus 1 into x is equal to x, minus minus plus, and this x will multiply this 1, it will be equal to x, and upon 1 plus x square. This x and this x will cancel out, and minus 1 will be the remainder, and over 1 plus x square is same as before. This is the answer or a differential value for this question. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.